Thank goodness. We're going to take a little break from the aliens for a while, and she's going to unbox some stuff. It's back to crafts for the time being. So, check out what she ordered. It came today. Can't wait to see it. And, yeah. Probably nothing you haven't seen already, because, you know, she's always behind the times. That's how she rolls.
Well, hello everybody. Look what came today. Today is May 31st. It's 6:15 in the evening, and I went out to watch TV with Brian, and he promptly fell asleep. So here I am. And I couldn't be happier because it was killing me to wait until after work tomorrow to open this up. So let's see what I ordered for myself. How many of you know my taste already? Probably most of you. Pretty predictable, I think. Nothing too crazy. All right, so yes, all 5 got in the same box, so I ordered 5 paintings from our club. Okay. All right. Now, I'm not going to unbox all of them in this one, but I will show you what I got. And then I think I'm going to do separate unboxing videos. I think. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I don't tend to take a real long time unboxing, I don't think. Because again, I'm not a review channel. Okay. So smallest to largest. First up, I ordered the Country Church round diamond 42 by 32. I know it's kind of hard to see, but so I ordered that one. Now, to Care in the World, I like the colors in this because, you know, we have like red accents in our house. Round with ABs, 37 by 32. Sorry, it's not focusing. It's just basically an umbrella flying over a field of flowers. Next up, House on the Hill. So I haven't done any landscapes from Diamond Art Club yet, so I really kind of wanted to see how they turn out. This one is also round diamonds, 50 by 33. Very pretty. Let's see. I was wondering if any of mine are square. Oh yeah, that one's square. This one's round diamonds. I've seen others do this one, and I love the colors because, you know, right up my alley. So I got that one. This one is Worlds Away, and it is 73 by 55 round diamonds. Beautiful. So nothing new, really. I didn't go for anything new except for this one. Sea Melody. This is the square with AB, which I haven't experienced yet. Square AB, and it's ginormous, 55 by 98. This was the whole reason I placed the order. And then I think I threw in one of the little ones to hit my $75, and then I got the coupon for and bought the other 3. So, yeah. And I absolutely love it. Beautiful. So, that is my haul from Diamond Art Club. And yeah, that took all of 4 minutes and 6 seconds. So I've already seen this one unboxed on another channel just recently. So go watch her channel. This one we've all seen finished. So go watch her channel. And let's see here. I don't know if I've seen anybody with this one. Probably. But again, I don't watch everybody anymore because I don't have time. Wish I could. But, not a care in the world. I don't know. Which one should I go for? Or the country church. Okay, this one I think is intriguing because it's so small in my mind because I've been doing giant paintings. I'm going to open this one in this video. We'll open the other ones probably in other videos, but we'll see. So this is the country church. Let's open it up and check it out. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. I take every single night, I take my light to the living room to cross stitch, and then I gotta bring it back in. And I've already moved everything over there to watch TV, and then he fell asleep. So it's a little dark in here. And there's no overhead light in this room. Whatever. All right. Here's our colors. You can't really see anything. I guess I'll take them out. My freshness seal says March 3rd. I've seen this on other channels. We're back to the daisy chains. Love them. Love the daisy chains. And here's our colors. And here's our colors. And here's our colors. Nothing, you know, too crazy. It's a nature scene. It's calm. Calm, relaxing colors. Okay. My symbols for making my labels. You can put that in slow-mo if you really wanted to see that close. And isn't it cute? Just a itty bitty thing. I haven't done a lot this small. I really haven't. And I think it is adorable. So I'm curious to see how it's going to turn out, you know, with the pixelation, because it is small. But it looks like, you know, because it's pretty simple building, I think it's going to turn out great. Good shading in the sky, good shading in the grounds and the ground cover. Looks like there's a Holstein cow over here That's pretty good if I can tell that that's a cow from looking at that. I wonder if it really is, because I was teasing. Oh, look, it is. I don't know if you can see that. It's a cow. And I could tell just by looking at it. So that tells me it's a good chart. I can tell that's a cow. All right, I love it. Can't wait. Symbols. I don't know if you can focus because I don't have my glasses on again. Yeah. See how beautiful those symbols are? And there's nothing that looks similar to the one next to it. So there's no mistaking anything here. I'll tell you what I've been doing. Okay, again, love it. Love Diamond Art Club. Love it, love it. Here's what I've been working on. We're done with this. The unboxing's over. You go about your day if that's all you were here for. Okay. I'm going to show you what I've been working on. Because I said I didn't want to start anything with these coming. Alright. I've been working on my other paint with diamonds. Craggy. Okay, so I guess there is a person there. Can't really tell until you're like right up there. They've got on their symbols, let me see. I mean, they're pretty clear, but they have M's and N's. They're pretty different. But then you've got these A's. A's, and then the ampersand, and they look a lot alike because they're both like dark grays. And then there's so many symbols that are like in the same color family, and then the symbol itself, the letters look a lot alike. So yeah. Anyway, my other issue is I have these deep glue lines. I started this one like a year ago and put it away because I'm sick of it. Kind of like the mermaid, only this was before the mermaid. I've pulled all these drills off multiple times and scraped the crap out of it, like with the X-Acto knife and with the and they're still popping up, and it's just a giant piece of crap. So again, I have another idea of what I might try to get that to lay down. We'll see if that works. But I've had that idea. Something falling off. No, it's a booger. Since, you know, a year ago, and I just never got around to it. But, yeah, heck, Ivor, you know what I'm thinking about doing to try and fix that. And heck, Ivor, did you ever do that one? Did it work? I want to see what happened. Because I sent her something to try and fix, and I haven't seen pictures yet. But yeah, so I started here the other day, and I'm down to here, so I only have that much more to go to finish this. But I packed it up because I knew that these arrived today. Brian carried the box into my room while I was working, so that'll hang there again until another time when I have patience, because that's not today, because I have this stuff. Right. Let's see here. So I guess, how long is this? This is still only 13 minutes. Good enough. You guys are going to have to go with a 13-minute video. I'm going to record another video with probably 2 in each one that I'll undo. Because, you know, I don't have a lot of time and to record and edit. And this way, I can give you guys a little something several days in a row, rather than one big video, you know, once a week. So, hang on to your pantaloons. Those will be coming later on. All right, I'm gonna go. And post this hopefully tonight. Bye, guys.
Those are very pretty. I'm thinking I might go check them out too. Because, you know, this old gal deserves something nice. Yeah, I have to put up with that old guy, you know, the grouchy old one with the baseball cap. Yeah, that's Joe from Mississippi, just in case you're wondering what his name was. And I'm Black Betty. Yeah, somebody was asking what our names are. Oh, there you go. Joe and Black Betty from Mississippi. Okay. Oh, and if you want to see those other ones unboxed or whatever, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can see when she finally posts those videos too. Okay. Have fun. Enjoy your weekends.
I am not grouchy. I am a realist. And I want more alien videos. I don't care about this diamond painting stuff. Is my dinner ready yet, Betty? Shoot.